This will be a speed test between the Sony Xperia XZ2 versus the OnePlus 5T. Now they both have Snapdragon processors. The XZ2 on the left, being the newer device, has the Snapdragon 845, and the OnePlus 5T has the 835. XZ2 has 6 gigs of RAM, however the OnePlus 5T has a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. They're both on Android Oreo. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in. I'm gonna go ahead and clear the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, identical. Messaging. Identical again. The camera. About the same. Calculator. Woo! So fast on both right now. The clock on both. Ooh, I think that was actually the OnePlus, I think. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. PlayStation app, go. And give this to the XZ2. Would have been funny if the OnePlus 5T got the PlayStation app, non-Sony device. That would have been funny. Baseball at bat, go. Baseball season just starting. And which one's gonna take this one? XZ2. NBA app, go. Playoffs already starting. And give that to the XZ2. Browsing on both, go. Click on Amazon, go. Very identical. Go ahead and scroll on this, give you an idea of the browsing speeds. Very fast on both phones. Go ahead and click on the Amazon full site, go. There we go, very similar performance. Pinch to zoom, nice and butter on both. Go ahead and close it out. Super Mario Run, go. Loading on both right now. And which one's gonna take this? Ooh, the OnePlus 5T taking this one. Go ahead and tap to begin. And I'm gonna close it out. There you go. Subway Surf. Buenos Aires on this one, loading on both. And the XZ2 taking this one with a weird pop-up here. I'm gonna go ahead and just cross that off and tap to play and close it out. Temple Run 2. Blazing Sands on this one. And the XZ2 slightly ahead. We'll find out right now. And XZ2, tap to play and go back home. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. XZ2 out in front, but will the 5T catch up? No, it does not. And give this win to the XZ2. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Ooh, look at the progress, both neck and neck. And I think the XZ2 is out in front. We'll find out right now. And give this to the XZ2. Not by much though. CSR Racing 2. And the XZ2 taking this one, however the 5T not too far behind. We have the gram on both. There you go. And Snapchat. Ooh, give that to the 5T. 5T is still no slouch. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background. Now keep in mind that the 5T has 8 gigs, so on paper it has the advantage, but let's go check out the RAM multitasking right now. And there we go. CSR Racing 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, ready to play on both phones. Angry Birds 2, ready to resume. Temple Run 2, ready to resume as well. Subway Surf, same thing. Mario Run, and this one is continuing the game. Very nice. Weird pop-ups, etc. Get out of here. The browsing on both, same place. NBA app, and ooh, what's going on with the 5T? There you go. Not sure what that was. MLB at bat, same place. PlayStation, same place. Clock on both, and this one running the stopwatch still, and this one, same thing. Calculator on both, right there. The camera, nice and fast. Messaging, nice and quick. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you team OnePlus, rocking the OnePlus 5T, the OnePlus 5, or even the OnePlus 3T? Those phones having 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, high-end specs at a very good price. Are you looking forward to the upcoming OnePlus 6 with the controversial notch up top? Or are you a Sony boy, rocking this XZ2, Sony Xperia XZ Premium from last year, that phone having a crazy 4K display? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.